Oh man, I am red. Holy crap. Ignore the redness in my face. But what is up, you guys? Welcome back to Spoiled Little Bastards. And on today's episode, as you guys can see behind me, we have one of the Funkos here. We are here at the Off-Road Nights show here in Escondido. We got invited about 3 weeks ago from Rat and the guys over here at Off-Road Expo, or Off-Road Night, sorry. And they wanted us to bring one of the cars down, so that's what we did. We were supposed to bring all three, and that just didn't end up happening. But we got the one, my GTX Funko here. Showstopper is what I'm calling it because everybody at the show has been coming to it. There was a lot of people here. It's later in the day, so now everyone's kind of chilling, probably gone home. But yeah, super fun. It's been a blast, meeting a lot of cool people. I am completely burnt in my face. I need to remind myself next time to bring sunscreen because I got a water ball on my face trying to cool it down because I am on fire. But super excited, super fun. We're gonna do a quick montage of all this stuff here. Kind of like a sand sports show, just a little smaller. A lot of trucks, Jeeps, buggies, vendors. So super cool. And yeah, handing out stickers, meeting people. It's been really cool. So we're gonna go ahead, get into the montage. There's an award for best sand car. I'm hoping I win that. That'll be a really cool if I get to get the first one. So everybody's here taking photos, videos, loving it. And like I said, definitely a showstopper. So let's get into this video, you guys. expecting it to be the sand car, but hey, we'll take whatever trophy we can get. There ain't nothing wrong with that. Finally get to add one to the collection. Many more to come, many more to come. I'm stoked. That's the first one ever. That's awesome. Alrighty, you guys. That is going to conclude the video. Kind of short but sweet. Happy to have won the trophy. That was like super awesome. Like I said, my first time. So super excited about that. Oops, sorry. And yeah, we're just waiting for the time to go down to load the car up and get back home. If you guys like this, please leave a like, hit that subscribe button, leave a comment. Hopefully we'll see you guys in the next video. Not sure what it's gonna be, maybe another show. Don't know yet, but best sand car, baby, we got it. Peace out, y'all.